TV. TV.
Country people, una well done. Una welcome to DGM TV, the Ogbonge TV station when they give una Ogbonge news story as it dey happen and as it dey hot. Country people, una well done. Una welcome to DGM TV, the Ogbonge TV station when they give una Ogbonge news story as it dey happen and as it dey hot.
TV.
Yes, yeah, good morning, the people of Edo State. If this our banner, this banner you see here today, it was more than 100 banner that was brought to Ronigbe community. But we, the people of PDP, who was an APC before, who followed the governor as far as Ronigbe community is concerned, we are calling of the security agency to monitor those that is taking our banner away. In any junction, we keep our banner, they only come there, they remove the banner. So we are not afraid of them. 4 plus 4, 8, you know, 4 plus 4, 8, one not the face-to-face coordinator brought 15 banner to Ronigbe, right from the former deputy governor street to Ronigbe community, that is Ronigbe North. Could you believe after our event in Ronigbe community, after our decamp to PDP, they took all the old banner away. A banner so we are not afraid of them. There is nobody that will tell us where APC will win Ronigbe community. Oh, you know, Egba 4 plus 4 talking about Agba. We stand for honorable Tiosa Odiase. We take him as our honorable. As far as the local government chairman is concerned, Honorable Sylvester is our boss. Iyamu, we are together. We must win Ronigbe South and North. There is no threat in Wakia Low, in Makia Stop. This is our mother, yeah, this is our mother. This is the first of our mother, Mrs. Enosa Olade Sheru. So we have to take this, the last banner we are having here now. As you can see, they have been removing the whole. So Etiosa Odiase assure me, the face-to-face coordinator, that he have sent for another banner. A lot of banner is coming. So near Ronigbe, nobody should believe. Now let me interview my mother. Yeah, well, anywhere. Yeah. Yeah. Oh,
we are very we are very damn you video. We just call him Naya. Ogba.
4 plus 4 no. It's 8.
I know.
What they are trying to say, the people of Ronigbe, the diaspora, don't be deceived. Forget that woman that came out in Okaligban Street. If the woman have no vision, the day of election they will give him 3,000. He will vote for his stomach infrastructure. I'm telling you people, God will not basically will win in Ronigbe community without no deceit. We will use spiritual. We are going to use all power. And Almighty God is with us. Whatever power they are going to use, we stand and we must make sure we succeed. 4 plus 4. Obene wano tawagba beni matai edokeraje betiono kunu Ronigbe betio sanoboa betie oba ewai betie obaname oba atokpe.
Maseki for governor! Is there Iyamu for Ketman?
My good people of Edo State, EDO DECIDES.
I want to talk to you people concerning our brother, our friend, the superstar, Shedrack Nowamagbe, no more, no sin one, no rien. He's our brother, and may God give him more strength, long life, for him to do more music for us, do good music for us, to jolly our life. You know, I saw a video when he was, begging his fans, begging Edo youth to stop embarrassing him, to stop attacking him. But he had the right, just like Edo youth, just like every other person have right to support whoever you want to support. You have the right to support whoever you want to support. Attacking him, fighting him will not change anything. You have the right to support whoever you want to support, just like you and me. And he also said that he do whatever he do so that he will eat. He do it for money, so that it's where you work, where you job. Just like every other Edo man and Edo woman, whatever you do it. Where you work is where you eat. You attacking him, telling him, must he support who you support? You are not the one to tell him who to support. He has his own life to live. Let him make his own choice. I saw that video. And Nowamagbe is right. Let him support whoever he feels like. Support whoever, support whatever candidate, whoever you like. Support whoever you like. If it is a PDP man or APC man, Nowamagbe have the right to support whoever he likes. Free life. But I want to talk to our brother Nowamagbe. Don't complain. If you cannot take the heat, you have to get out of the kitchen. Don't complain. You see, 17 years ago, 2003, Edo youth were against you. They were fighting you, attacking you wherever they see you. To the extent you have to travel out of the country for safety. But why? It was because Edo people see you as their fighter. They see you as their hero. You were fighting for them through music. You use your music to fight for them. You use your music to speak for them. You speak for who cannot speak. You fight for those that cannot fight. And they love you for that. They love you. We are like another fella to them. And the government of the day then, we are not doing well. Them Abasha, we are not doing well. And when we got the democracy, 1999, the government, they were not doing well. And you were fighting for the Edos. Fighting for the unprivileged people in Edo. And they were surprised. The people you were fighting through music, you were not singing praises of them. So the Edos, the Edo youth then, to them, that means you must have, taken bribe. You abandon your struggle. They said no. They have to attack you. They have to fight you. You betrayed them. You have to run out of the country for safety then. When you came back, you sang, "Forgive me my sins." You remember that song? You beg the do to forgive you your sins. That whatever you did not do it for money. You feel it is the right thing for us to come together, both the good and the bad, for the development of Edo State. And Edos forgive you. And ever since, your life never remained the same. Things change. People don't, that regard, that respect, whenever you release Habon, whenever you have new Habon, people rush for it. It's like pure water. But ever since, from 2003 up to date, your fan base reduced. People don't, people that used to see you like their new fella, people that see you as their hero. They said they can no longer trust you, but they still respect you, they still patronize you. The way people used to listen to your music in those days changed because of that little mistake you made 17 years ago. So, 4 years ago, you created your own political party. And those, including me, I was saying, look, my brother, forget about this thing. Forget about this thing. Be neutral. Me, I don't believe in political party. I don't support PDP. I don't support APC. I am just neutral. Because that is the only way. We are the wounded. I'm the wounded civilian. I'm also a musician too, just like you. I started 1994, just like you. Our name was me and my brother, we created this wounded civilian movement since 1994. That's 26 years ago, just like you. So, to me, I remain neutral. That's the reason why people listen to me today. But you created your own political party. You ran against Iyamu and this same governor 4 years ago. And your fans, they were not happy with you. They said no, that you will not win. You sold most of your properties. And I don't blame you because you just want to help Edo people. I know you love Edo people. Nobody can dispute that. You want the best for Edo people. I know. But you lose. You lose. And in your video that I saw 2-3 days ago, you said you joined APC. How can you have your own political party 4 years ago and you are telling the people you joined APC? The people, your fans don't know. Somebody like you have your own political party before joining APC. I think the news will carry it. There must be a ceremony. You are not just ordinary person. You are very important to the Edos. If you that have, it's like Sowore today, that have AAC, will just join APC tomorrow and say he is now a member of APC. No, there must be a ceremony. You have to call your fans, call everybody and decamp publicly. You have to do it publicly. Let the whole world know that you have destroyed the party you register, you created. You are now member of APC. Why is it that it is now people, you are now a member of APC? Why? So my brother, you always made the wrong decision. You are a good man, nobody can take that from you. How can you create your own political party? And now you are telling us you are now a APC member. We know the parties that form APC. Your political party is not among the parties that form APC. You ran against APC 4 years ago. How can you now say you are not a member of APC? It's what your fans or people don't understand. Look, there is a way we treat people that decamp from one party to another. People like Akpabio. Dugara today, a few days ago, said left APC for PDP, that PDP is corrupt. When he joined APC 4 years ago, it was the same story. APC corrupt. When he left APC, when he joined PDP, APC was a dangerous party. He joined PDP. Leaving PDP now, PDP is a dangerous party. We know the game. So when people begin to treat you like them Akpabio, them Dugara, all those political harlots who jump from one political party to another, don't be angry. Because these are the kind of politicians you sing and condemn in your music. People that jump from one political party to another. You always sing and insult these people. And you are not doing what you stand against in the past. You have so many records that you preach against those politicians who decamp from one party to another, who jump from one party to another. You call them all sorts of names. So when you are doing the same thing now, people begin to treat you like they are treating the rest politicians. who jump from one party to another. So, my brother, you are a good man, but you always make the wrong decision. You always make wrong decision. You in your video you said you have been calling the governor, and you said something about the governor said he did not. You did a very special track for this to promote Governor Obaseki against Oshomole. Few months ago, I think last year, to promote this governor, and you said the governor said he did not send you. I am not saying the governor is always right. The governor is supposed to at least call you and show some appreciation, because it is not easy to go to the studio and make a song. Me, I did a special one for I would say for Obaseki, because when I was doing the song, people were thinking it got to be a campaign kind of song. I said no, I have to do it in a way after this election people can still play the music. So I have to be always fair in whatever I do. You all saw the music that I'm talking about. And it is not easy to go to the studio, go to Lagos, book studio, pay studio engineer, the choruses, the guitarists, and you spend your time to compose. I did that song to promote Obaseki, but I have to make it in a way so that you can play it after the election. I have to spend over 100 and something. I'm talking about over 100 and something. Over 400 euro. 400 euro. We are talking about 160 to make that single track. From my own pocket, just to promote Obaseki. Well, I do these things, not because I'm expecting Obaseki to tell me thank you. Because I know who he is. Obaseki is like that. Not that Obaseki is bad. He always like that. He thinks whatever you do it for government. You don't do it for him. And that is what Wamagbe don't understand. To me, I feel the governor is supposed to at least show some gratitude, some appreciation. It's not easy for you to go to the studio, spend your own money. And you also said that you have been calling the governor so that he can call those that contested with him 4 years ago, so that you guys can join and help him. You might be right too. You might be right. That is the governor for you. That's how he behaves. I'm not saying whatever he do is right. That is what I'm saying. But what I'm saying, did your decision you took, the masses chairman, the decision you took to be fighting against the governor, I don't think the people will always see you as a traitor. People will always see you as somebody who believes in money. That whatever you do it for money. Because what happened that's why I said 13 years ago. You are the one who say all kinds of things against Oshomole. And you are the one saying now. And you remember after the election 2016, when you lose, you release an album. You were insulting Iyamu, you call him all sorts of names. You even accuse him that Iyamu lied against you, saying that you decamped to PDP then. And today, in your video, you were saying Iyamu is the best. That is where you got it all wrong. For trying to campaign for Iyamu. Don't you know? No, Wamagbe, I'm talking to you. You now, I know what the governor did was not that right to me. Not that I am campaigning for the governor. But one thing is this. Oshomole cannot have his way. You don't like the governor. You are supporting Iyamu. But think, if Iyamu wins, don't you know Oshomole that they sacked, Oshomole that they disgraced out of office. They disgraced him out of office. The man is they said he have been suspended. He's no longer a member of APC. That's what court said. He's no longer their national chairman. He's no longer a member of APC. But he's running around as if he's the one contesting with the governor. Don't you know that when you are supporting Iyamu, you are indirectly supporting godfatherism? Now, my brother, think. That is the reason why I say whatever decision you took, whatever you don't like the governor, you like, fine. It's your choice. But don't you know, you are indirectly supporting political godfatherism. If Oshiomhole have his way, if Oshiomhole succeed in kicking Obaseki out, if Obaseki should win, that is the end of Oshiomhole. Oshiomhole is not the only former governor we have in Edo State. We have Oyegu that is not disturbing us. We have Igbenedion, is not disturbing us. That Oshiomhole have to be kneeling down everywhere. What are you kneeling down for? What exactly are you kneeling down for? You said, you are the one who declared war against godfatherism, political godfatherism. And you want to be the godfather you fought against? So my brother Nwamagbe, this is the where that is not that clear to me. So don't be angry if the people are criticizing you, fighting you. That's it. That's what people do in Nigeria. People like Okpabio, who they come from one party to another. Is it Dogara? Is it Saraki? Is it Dino Malaya? You are like them now. You decamp from one party to another. People will always insult you. So my brother, bear it. You would have stayed neutral, like me. Thank you and God bless.
DJ ATV.